We need to think outside what happens outside. We need to create opportunities because many youths in the field are either unemployed or underemployed. And many are in the field and they're looking upon this leadership here to give them opportunities. What is going to be the position of Kenya? Are we going to join the League of Developing Nations, or are we going to be competing with ourselves? Over the years, we have been competing with ourselves. Today, Mr. Speaker, you are witness. Just reflect on the GDP of Ethiopia. It's almost twice that of Kenya. Few years ago, Ethiopia was a struggling economy. Mr. Speaker, look at Uganda. Few years ago, Uganda was dependent on Kenya. Today, they are not our favorite trading partner. Look at Tanzania. What happens to Kenya? We have all become, we have all reduced ourselves to an inward-looking nation. An internal debate that will not put food, water, and other amenities on the table. We need to think outside what happens outside. We need to create opportunities because many youths in the field are either unemployed or underemployed. And many are in the field and they're looking upon this leadership here to give them opportunities. These opportunities will not come if we become a state that politics from morning to evening, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, with this, I want to urge my colleagues to support this, and I also want to urge the President to appoint more politicians to these very important diplomatic engagements. I support these appointments. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you. The 1 hour is over. Mover.
Thank you very much, Honorable Speaker. Thank you very much, honorable colleagues, for your contribution. They are very enriching. If you notice, Honorable Speaker, I did not interrupt most of the comments from honorable members because it makes our committee even more better, enriching us with thoughts that we will reflect with the product that we'll be bringing to the House even in future. And I want to thank my committee, able committee, for their contribution. It was on recess when we did this, and Honorable Speaker, we had an almost 99% presence of members. I want to appreciate our committee, parliamentary staff, the entire secretariat that worked with us for this report. Honorable Speaker, without much ado, I beg to reply. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Members on their feet, take your seats. Take your seats, Wamurada. Honorable members, I now put the question at order number 10, which is that taking into consideration the findings of the Departmental Committee on Defense, Intelligence and Foreign Relations in its report on the vetting of the nominees for appointment as Ambassador, Permanent Representative and Consul General, laid on the table of the House on Thursday, 16th January 2025, and pursuant to the provisions of Article 132(2)(e) of the Constitution, Section 22 of the Foreign Services Act, Cap 185(e), and Sections 3 and 8 of the Public Appointments Parliamentary Approval Act, Cap 7F, this House approves the appointment of the following persons as indicated. Dr. Andrew Karanja, Ambassador, Brasilia, Brazil. Honorable Ababu Namwamba, EGH, Permanent Representative of Kenya to the United Nations Environmental Program, UNEP, United Nations Office at Nairobi, UNON, and Mr. Nur Yaro Gabo, CBS, as Consul General, Port-au-Prince, Haiti. As members of that opinion say aye. Aye. Will those of the contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it. Next order.
Order number 11, special motion, consideration of nominees for appointment to the Public Service Commission.
Karemba.